Welcome back everybody. Today just brought the MST Drift car back out just to have a bit of a play and get some of the settings set up for this XD10 Pro. I've already had a little bit of a play around with it and I'm surprised at just how much boost and timing I've had to add to the setup to actually get some decent wheel speed compared to the other ESC that I had. I've had to add like 25 degrees boost and got them up to 12 or 18 for bloody turbo, and I think I'm getting there, getting the settings sorted out. I really like the fact that you can change and actually have a customized throttle curve rather than having to rely so much just on expo on the controller. Let's see how this thing goes. Yep. It's going to take a little bit to get used to exactly how it runs compared to the other setup I had. I was just starting to get the hang of it. I've got my turbo kicking in instant too rather than a delay. I didn't like having so much delay. It was just too much. Even at 0.05, I just thought it was too slow. Oh. But I think I'm getting there with my wheel speed. Gotta think of some other settings, get it just right, I think. But I'm getting there. But in saying that, I am really impressed with this bit of kit compared to just a cheap Turnigy setup. Just how much you can adjust with the settings wise. When it goes up, you can change the revs up to what, 60,000 or 65,000 RPM to cut where the boost finishes. Pretty insane. Quite happy with this setup though, and my drifting can only get improved. I think it's worth the money. I particularly like the OTA programmer setup. Me Bluetooth on the phone. It would have been nice if it came built in like the AX setups, the AX systems, but can't have it all, I guess. You got to try to save weight on that little tiny ESC. I'm going to leave you guys there. I am thoroughly impressed so far with this ESC and the motor. Like I said though, I just had to add more boost and timing than I expected, but I think it's worth it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.